today's episode, we're going to be exploring what is vegan cheese. Does it even taste like real cheese? Does it stretch? Does it melt? Is it gooey? Is it oozy? Is it like cheese? Or is it like another sort of plastic man-made product? So when it comes to vegan cheese, I think this is one of the most challenging things to find the replacement for. So I have this idea to make this beautiful grilled cheese sandwich. I know that being dairy-free is so much better for me. However, I still enjoy cheese. And so finding a vegan cheese replacement is going to be critical and crucial to me being able to go plant-based fully. So I remember that there are some brands that actually kind of hit the spot, kind of come close to like what it is that I'm trying to taste. So I'm gonna test it. There's 2 brands I'm trying out. So I want a grilled cheese and I need this cheese to work. So we're gonna try a thing and we'll see how it turns out. So for my vegan grilled cheese sandwich, I'm starting off with 2 pieces of sourdough bread. I'm gonna add to that this chutney. Now this chutney started with figs, and then I added red onions, and then I added thyme, and then I added balsamic vinegar, and I added liquid smoke and maple syrup and a little bit of salt to bring it all out to produce this beautiful, smoky, sweet chutney. This is giving me those vibes. And then afterwards, I'm adding this cashew-based cheese. It's from a brand called Treeline, and this brand is so delicious. It reminds me of goat cheese, all the things that you love about goat cheese, the creaminess, the tanginess. This brings that effect without tasting vegan. I hope that, no offense to anyone, but I just find that sometimes vegan food tastes like it's trying to be a thing and it's not the thing, and this cheese does not do that. It is the thing and it's so delicious. And after that, I add my melty cheese. To one, I'm adding VioLife, and to the other, I'm adding Daiya. Let's see how they hold up. So, as I'm noticing with the cheese, it's melting in that it is having a looser structure, but it's still within its structure. Does that make sense? So it still looks like a shred. It is not completely losing all of its boundaries and melting into one another to become oozy and like that grilled cheese that I'm used to. Instead, it is softening its texture, but is still keeping its parameters. Very interesting. So we're gonna try it and see. This is the one that has the Daiya. This is the one that has the VioLife. I wouldn't say it's a full melt, but you know, there's some meltation going on. But I am overall pleased with the degree and the quality to which they melt. So we'll see how they taste. I tasted them raw. They could do the job, so we'll see how they taste how they're cooked. So this one is the VioLife. And I thought the melt was considerably decent. I'm not wowed by this, but in terms of serving as a cheese that melts, that is gooey, it does that job. So now let's try Daiya. See what Daiya does, what Daiya brings. Oh, this is a good one. I think if I have to choose, Daiya would win. It looks the craziest. I think VioLife, presentation-wise, is way more beautiful. The cheese looks like an actual shred. But Daiya wins in the category of melt, of cream, of goo, of ooze, all the things that you're looking for cheese. In terms of flavor, both of them have to work on that. But would I eat this again? Yes, I would.